Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some funky accordion journals. And we're using my gel press, and we're stamping them and stitching them. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some accordion journals. Over 100 billion pieces of junk mail are delivered in the US annually, and an average adult gets about 41 pounds of it every year. Using a gel press is the perfect way to make colorful pages for an art journal. Use them alone or as a base for collage, stenciling, drawing, and writing. Americana acrylics dry to a beautiful matte finish, and they come in an endless amount of colors. They are hands down my favorite paint. I've been stitching paper on my sewing machine for years. Just make sure to switch out your needle when it's time to sew fabric, since over time, paper will dull the needle. Art journaling is a visual diary. It's a place to record your thoughts, memories, and emotions through images, art, and words. I'm going to leave a link to gel press and all of the amazing products I use. Just take a look down below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.